This cute little caddy sits next to my sink. I put different things in it, and you can arrange it and utilize it how you like. This is kind of how I do it, so that's an option. However, if you put it here and the water drains, it might not fully drain into your sink. But that's an option, or you can move it anywhere in here. And like this guard, since it's right here, you can put it right in here next to it. But the way my sink sits and how I reach for things, I tend to go to the left. So I just put it on the left side. They do have, these are removable, and you can place these anywhere in the basket you would like. And they will sit kind of just right in the bars. You just connect them, and then the little bar goes right in between there. It has this really cool thing on the bottom where it spins. You can see right here. So you can angle it to your sink depending on where you want to place it on your sink. This tray does come out, so you can clean it off easily. Just like that. Probably need to clean mine. But there is a little guard that comes right in here. This guard, you cannot move this little going down, but it does come out and sits easily. So you can have it so that your tray is here, and then you can just move this so it dumps right into the sink. And if you can kind of see, there is a little pocket there, right there, where the water goes down, so it can flow out through there. So I found this to be really helpful and useful. I was debating about getting one of these, and then after shopping online and looking at some different kinds, I went with this one when I was comparing others, because I felt like this would be the best for my situation and how everything is in my kitchen and sink. And I really liked the removable baskets, and then the fact that I can kind of put this where I want. I don't have to use it. I can use it to add another spot. So there's so many options with this bar. You can kind of see it right there. You cannot move that bar. So it does, I have one of these little scrubbers. It doesn't quite fit it all the way, which I'm okay with, because then it allows more space to kind of let it drip to the bottom here. I put these things on the bottom, for cleaning out, straws and stuff. I really like having these close by, and I found that just kind of sliding them underneath was a good place for them. It includes this little basket right here. And you don't have to use this. You could probably, if you really wanted to, just kind of put it on the side here. It does stand alone.